Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase an eSIM for Tajikistan. This is a very simple thing to do and we can go ahead and accomplish it using the eSIM.app platform. So what you can do right now is going down into the description of this video below, open up the description and open up the first link you're going to see. That link is going to take you to the official eSIM app right here, from where we can get started with comparing plans. Make sure to stay till the end of the video, as we're also going to be showing you step by step how to install it. So here you can see the unlimited plans and the fixed plans, and you're going to see unlimited plans are usually going to be the better offers for similar prices. You're going to be having unlimited data. So select your plan right here and go to the checkout page, from where you can choose your payment method and finish out with the purchase. So once you make the purchase of the eSIM, we can get started installing it. It's going to look like this. So here we have the step by step on the official eSIM platform for iPhone. It goes like this. You're going to open up the iPhone application for eSIM and open up the install button by going into the eSIM page and clicking install. Once you click install, you can tap add cellular plan. This is going to enable you to continue with the rest of the installation process right here by selecting your eSIM plan and your primary plan, after which on the finish page you can select to turn on these two options right here, data roaming, and turn on this line. Once this is turned on, your eSIM is officially active and you can get started using it, and you can also install it using a QR code. So you have the QR code option right here that is going to enable you to go into your device settings, tap on cellular, and to add a cellular plan. That's going to enable you to use the QR code scanner. It's going to look like this, from where you can scan the QR code from the official eSIM application once you make the purchase. On Android phones, it's pretty similar. You're going to have the application right here, go into the help tab, click on eSIM installation and click the install button. After which you install, you're going to go into your settings, finish up the installation process, and just like that you're going to turn on those two options. And you also have the QR code option as well as an iPhone by going into your device settings, connections tab, and the SIM card manager, clicking to add a mobile plan, and then finishing up the installation by scanning the QR code. So there you have it. If you want to go and purchase and install the eSIM, go down into the description of this video below, open up the first link you're going to see, and get started today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.